Hi, this is 9mm Steve. I'm going to do a brief review on blinds.com. There are so many competition for blinds, but you Google blinds, window treatments, whatever. Since blinds.com is the simplest website name and everything, they usually come up first. I'm not saying don't buy from them, but I just want you to be aware of several things that we experienced. First of all, wait for a sale. The quality of their blinds, I want to show you, are actually very good. This is a set that's not put up yet. We got the chestnut color. They're faux wood, but they're pretty amazing. They look like wood. This one is 61 3/4 long. You can't even see, I can't even back up enough where I have the camera to show you the whole length of it. But because it's long, they require center brackets. It is way too heavy to support on just the end. Now I'll caution you, if you have windows that have transoms and you do not want to cover the transoms, why have transoms if you're going to cover them? But you won't, like in a guest bedroom, you don't want a window wide open. And you have vinyl windows. These are hurricane rated windows, but because they're one part, this part right here is vinyl. You cannot use the center bracket with vinyl windows. They didn't tell me that. We talked at length on the phone about our situation and the height and the width and the transoms and the this and that. They didn't mention one time. You can't put these up. Now, you can. However, it requires what's called a floating header. A floating header is a piece of wood or steel that goes from one end to the other end, screws into the wood, and then you can screw your center bracket into it, which will allow the blinds to be stable and to be put up. Problem: if you don't make it yourself, and to make it yourself, it's not that complicated, but it takes time and aggravation, and you paint and all that, which when you're moving into a new house, who has that kind of time? If you're just putting up blinds, it's one thing, but if you're moving in, you got so many projects, and then guests start to want to come and all that. So, so that's the first issue, okay? And I'll go over that, and then I'm going to tell you the second issue. So you call blinds.com, and they're like, well, so I had a guy who was real nice, his name's Chris M. Promised me within 24 to 48 hours, business hours, he'd get back to me. Well, this was on a Friday, okay, whatever. So, or Thursday. So Friday, I didn't, whatever. Then the weekend, Monday he didn't get in touch with me, Tuesday he didn't get in touch with me. So I started emailing him. No response. I'm like, and he said, well, it's easier, and there's like no extension to get in touch with them. So I started emailing him, hey, what's going on? I need to know. Well, we'll work with you on our floating header. But these headers are like, for this kind of length, they're like $100 and something bucks each. And it's like, wow, for two, I have two wide ones like this. That's going to be over half the price I paid for my whole order. We had a lot of blinds. It was about $500 worth of blinds. So, it's like, why didn't you tell me? I could have made a different choice on blinds that wasn't so heavy or something. But anyways, we are where we are. But to make that part of the story as short as possible, I'm still not resolved, and I'm not happy. It don't matter how good your blinds are. If your customer service sucks, then, what good are you? So, I got these blinds laying on the bed. I can't put them up. Now, I put the small one up, and they look nice. They didn't require a header. They're really pretty, as you see. Do a good job. But, I got this major window here in the front of the house. So, hey, blinds.com, where are you? Are you going to contact me or just ignore me? You have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. I'm not satisfied. So the other problem is the screws. My order, first of all, the shipping was a nightmare. You're getting it Tuesday, no, you're not getting it Tuesday, you're getting it Saturday. Then they came Tuesday, but it was only half the order. Then they're coming Saturday, no, they're not coming Saturday. Then, you know, it's like, what? Can you not get tracking straight on your shipping? That sucks, you know, when you're waiting on a big order and you don't want them left outside. But anyways, so when I go to put up that one over there, you know, screws, they have a Phillips head, and then they have where you could use a ratchet. I buy a new bit for a Phillips head, and my old one was fine, but I figured, you know, let me go ahead and get another one, you know. I took the screw, fit perfectly, got help at the Home Depot to make sure, you know, I'm not like a neophyte at this. I could have done it myself. So anyways, I go to put it up, pre-drill the hole and the screw strips. And I figure, okay, screws strip sometimes, you know. Throw it away, get another one. That one strips. Third one strips. I'm like, wait. I started looking at them like, these are cheap ass screws. I mean, are you kidding me? You can't spend a couple cents extra to get decent screws? So I figured, all right, can't use a Phillips head, I'll get my ratchet set out. If you look very carefully, it's very hard to see. They're not like 90-degree turns, they're like kind of rounded. You know what that means? Cheap ass screws. The ratchet, I got the right size, but it won't grab it. So I contact him and I tell him my situation. Oh, we're sorry, you know, blah, blah. We'll send you better screws. 2 weeks, I ain't got no screws. I don't have no screws. So how did I get that one up? Well, look, I went through my whole mess of screws and I was able to find some to work, but I don't have enough. Hey, Blinds.com, where are my replacement screws? This is the thing, 100% customer satisfaction, and you save a couple pennies on screws, you probably buy them by the millions. I'm sure they came from China, and oh, okay, so instead of $10 per million, you paid $9, and then you throw these in, so the customer can't put up the blinds. All I'm saying is, be careful. Know what you're doing. Ask questions when you order blinds. You know, I had no idea I couldn't put a center bracket on that till I got it and was like, uh-oh, this don't, you know, it's been a long time since I bought blinds. You know, I forgot about the center brackets, to be honest with you. But I'm not happy and I'm not 100% satisfied. And I got a response the other day, oh, I was sick for a couple days, and so I'm just now getting back to you. Here's our offer, and it was some crazy, okay, we'll give you a little bit of a refund, or here's you can make them yourself. It's like, no, you got to work with me here better, you know. You got to give me a better deal on those headers. I didn't want to spend any more money, and now I'm having to spend more money. And where are my replacement screws? I got all these blinds laying around the house. And when you buy them from Blinds.com, careful. You can't get a refund, okay? What you can get is exchange or, you know, 100% satisfaction guarantee. What if I want a refund? That ain't 100%. You know, it's just like all this unlimited now is not unlimited anymore. Nothing means anything anymore. Blinds.com, get your act together. 73s.